One conference is great, as usual. We have the opportunity here in Monaco to meet many customers. This is what we need in this particular place. But also we have the chance to learn from the industry what is happening, to exchange information, to share experience, and to drive the change of this industry, which is very important for us. Yes, it is. We see the expertise in this place is very high. We can meet with the right guys at the right level to have the right discussions. Hot topic is about 100 gigabit, for example, so capacity scaling, but it's also about what we call terabit networking. It's adding intelligence, scalability, flexibility to the optical networks. Well, the main market driver for 100 gigabit is clearly capacity scaling. There is a tremendous growth in traffic in the networks, driven by many different applications: video, music exchange, social networking, and also other services like cloud computing, which is changing the way services are delivered on top of the internet, but it's also changing the architecture of the networks. On the other side, there is another driver, which is cost. 100 gigabit is there to reduce the total cost per bit per kilometer on the transport networks in order to achieve the lowest total cost of ownership, as well as to reduce the power consumption of the network. Power is becoming one of the critical factors, so 100 gigabit and beyond is also a good tool to reduce the power consumption of optical networks. Well, we have announced and launched our commercially available 100 gigabit coherent solution in June 2010, by the way, announced here in Monaco last year. Since then, we have more than 30 customers around the world who already selected our 100 gigabit solution for deployments and for trials. We have learned a lot. We have learned that this is feasible, is economically viable today. The performance of 100 gigabit coherent is as expected in the networks. So we have proven what we said, and we believe today is the time for mass adoption of 100 gigabit. So the result is great. We are shipping volumes, and we expect customers, service providers in the different fields to adopt and to take a 100 gigabit technology very soon. Well, it is very simple. First of all, you need a 100 gigabit solution to bring capacity scaling into the fiber networks. When you have all this massive capacity, 100 gigabit means having almost 10 terabits on a single fiber. We need to add flexibility, scalability, automation, and intelligence to optical networking. And this is our vision. It's about adding photonic switching and photonic control plane, and also OTN switching and OTL control plane to achieve all those flexibility that we need. And again, in our vision, we see those converging. OTN and WDM solution converging in a single networking paradigm and in a single platform. I believe they will take good information first. Many vendors are talking about the new technologies, and I believe they will go back home with confidence about the performance of the new generation optical networks, both on the capacity side, 100 gigabit, with a view of what will happen beyond 100 gigabit, as well as I said, on the flexibility, scalability, management of these complex new generation optical networks.